Rosie was a riveter. Rosie was a riveter when the welded steel. Rosie was a west side girl fresh in from the fields. Wendell was an island boy who made his way down south just to find his fame and fortune and to see the lights of town. Well, they made it to the shoreline, but their progress there was paused, 'cause this town needs a bridge where true love can get across. House was reeling from the crash of 29. And FDR was dreaming of a new deal down the line, and the states were needing infrastructure, building streets and roads, and the office of the president was doling out loads. Every person needs employment, and a chicken in every pot, and every town needs a bridge where true love can get across. Working overtime, putting in the field, slapping all the concrete out and setting down the steel. And Rosie working magic as she pinned those gutters tight. Wendell lit his torch a blaze and burned it through the night. And every night they would notice they were closer to the cause, and this town would get a bridge where true love could get across. And if you're going to build a bridge, you better build it good and strong, 'cause it's gotta stand the test of time and last a lifetime long. Just like truest love is not gonna sit there on the shore, and it's gotta find a way to let you love forevermore. And then early morning in the first few rays of light, they set the final girder down and dive in just right. There'll be hills of ribbon silhouetted in the sky, and the wind lit the welder up and got it blowing bright. They set that pin together like a final broken spike, and they reached across the water and they held on tight. If you're gonna build a bridge, you better build it good and strong, 'cause it has to stand the test of time and last a lifetime long. Just like truest love, it just won't sit there long, 'cause it's gonna find a way to let true love get across. Yeah, yeah.